Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add bus booking on MakeMyTrip. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for MakeMyTrip. Once you've searched for MakeMyTrip, simply go ahead and click on this link right over here, as you can see. And once you've done that, all you need to do is make sure that you're logged in into your account. And now simply go ahead and click on buses right over here. Now you want to simply go ahead and select from where you want to take the bus and to where you want to take the bus. So for example, let's say I'm going to take the bus that day, and simply go ahead and click for search. As you can see, they'll show you a bunch of buses that will be available. Make sure you refresh if something like that happens to you, and you can simply go ahead and select seats and go ahead and book it. Simply go ahead and select any seat that you want and just simply go ahead and continue and give them your payment info, and you will have your buses booked. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.